ugiye kuvuga amagambo ari ku mutima wawe ubwira umukunzi wawe. Karibu papa.
Wakoze ibikomeye bihambaye mu gihe gikwiriye birasohora, iyo mpamvu ntazahwema kukuririmba. Urahambaye uri Mana we, isohoza amasezerano iyo birasohora. Urahambaye
Trezoro murabizi ko ari umuriri ariko mutwaye umukwe mwiza ba mukuzi kuririmbira Imana. Arakoze cyane. Mwaye Sara nawe arya aba muri Gisubizo muri Amerika. Aha, karibu Sara nawe ico mwuka aguha gukorera Trezoro. Ndagira ngo hariya mutinde hariya mama gume werekere hariya, ndi werekere iriya, werekere hano. Urebe hano, murebe kuri kamera. Sara, rukundo rwagutwaye. Karibu cyane.
Hi. The Bible says, he who finds a wife finds a good thing and obtains a favor from God. Well, congratulations. You hit the jackpot. I promise to be the best thing in your life. I promise to be your answered prayers as you are mine. I promise to love, honor, and respect, cherish you. I promise to love what's yours and as mine. I promise to love, respect, and love your family and friends. I promise to support you in whatever way possible in your dreams. Oh, how I love you, my treasure, my man, my husband, my love, my world, my everything, my one and all. I love loving you.
Washoshe? Ibintu biri mu Icyongereza n'Ikinyarwanda imvange murabona ni sawa cyane. Aha, arakoze cyane Sara, ibintu byiza cyane. Reka babahe indahiro. Kinyarwanda nta kibazo baramusomera. Hajya we ndi wize primaire hano. Wowe urasoma, wozo musoma iwasubiremwo muri microphone. Muheza gusomere azosubira muri microphone. Nta ngorane turaza kubikora uko nyine. Aha Trezor, karibu.